Are you confused about selecting a drone motors? There are a lot of parameters involved in selecting a drone motors. KV, thrust, current consumption, power. The list is endless. If you search drone motors in Google, there will be lot of motors and there will be lot of brands too. For example, Ready to Sky, Sea Motors, Brother Hobby, Emax, Sunny Sky, Axis Flying, and this list also endless. And each brand has hundreds of motors. In that list, how you will select a specific motor? In this list of motors, each motor has lot of parameters. What is the meaning behind these numbers? How to select a motor for industrial drone? How to select a motor for FPV drone? Everything we are going to see in this video. Let's start with some random brand with random motors. Let's open the parameters of this motor. First, you can see motor dimensions here. This is for when we design the drone. We can use this parameter to design the motors or check the spacings. Next, the list of KVs mentioned here for this specific model. How much max current consumption, power consumption, voltage required, what is the prop recommended, prop size, motor weight, everything mentioned here. Next, let's see the thrust chart. If you see here, this MN4110 300 kV motor with the help of 16-inch props, what will be the resultant output is shown in the table. With 40% throttle in 24 volt, it's giving 631 gram thrust. The current consumption for this is 2.14 amps and 51 watts power consumption. The last parameter is motor efficiency. What is that mean is to provide 1 gram thrust, how much power is consumed, how much less the throttle we produce, our required thrust. Based on that, our motor efficiency will be high. But with only high efficiency, we cannot select the motors. We'll see why in our later part of this video. What will happen if we increase the propeller size for the same motor? For example, if I use 17 inch instead of 16 inch, you can see here in the thrust chart, it is giving 690 gram thrust in 40% throttle, which is 60 gram higher than earlier. But the problem is the power consumption is increased to 2 watts and the size of the drone also will increase. Like this, we have to compare all the parameters and select the right one.